In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Basic 6 Details in Krita. To get started, select the Basic 6 Details brush. Press F6 to open the brush presets docker if it isn't already visible. In the search bar, type Basic 6 Details or look for the preset named Basic 6 Details. Once you find it, click the preset to select the brush. The Basic 6 Details brush is used for creating precise and controlled strokes. To use it, select the brush and start drawing on your canvas. Adjust the brush size depending on the level of detail you want to add. Use a smaller brush size for fine details, thin lines, and smaller areas. Increase the brush size when you need broader strokes or more coverage. The Basic 6 Details brush is commonly used for adding details, refining artwork, creating clean lines, and working on smaller areas of a drawing. It is useful when you need more control for precise parts of your artwork. When using this brush, work gradually and adjust the brush size as needed while adding details. Use smaller strokes for areas that require more accuracy and control. Once you have selected the brush and adjusted the settings, you can continue adding details and refining your artwork. And that's how to use Basic 6 Details in Krita. Thank you for watching the video,